Hey Lee, I can't believe I've already made this video once, but I managed to erase it. I'm making a list of what's on this wing. It's the same setup that I put on the Assassin and also a previous Rebel, and I had that previous Rebel flying good. I mean, as good as the Assassin. For some reason, this one is giving me trouble. So, I'm going to give you a view right down at level to see if the motor angle looks right to you. I mean, to me that's neutral. I had bent it ever so slightly because it was on an angle like this, and neutral is what I believe it to be now. Give me 1 second. I'm going to plug it in. All right, now, real quick. The ailerons are ever so slightly in the up, as you had said to me that they might not need to be very high. There, give it a little flip and you'll see they're equal off the table. I don't see any twist. As far as how they work, this is my low rates, and it would be sluggish in low rates. Like, I don't fly that. Mid rates would be a good hand launch, 50% throttle, and high rates is what I would fly in. And I know it doesn't look like much, but it is higher. It's about 75% of my throw. Okay, linkages are all nice and tight. So are my winglets. They're made out of ply. And let me just give you an example of what kind of thrust I'm looking at. We'll go by sound. That would literally just, instant vertical. I would say 90 miles an hour is what I can fly without an issue, and it's a good wow factor. Anyway, that's all. Here's a little 3-minute vid showing you what was in a list that I put on here. Those weights, normally I would sink in the phone, but for now, I am trying to get this bird to fly right. And again, I wasn't sure about the aileron, but it's only slightly up. This is all new. I still have to test this recent setting. The motor is one of the things that I think in an instruction sheet would be great if you actually could say, but I know the Assassin and your other wings were probably all different. Anyway, give you an idea how much I love this hobby. Built the Uproar, Pig, Smith Mini, RV 440, got over there in the top a Bird of Time, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I just love to fly. There's the Sith, there's the Assassin with the EDF, and got the Pinata over there. I got a Chimera. Yeah, so anyway, thanks, brother. Talk to you. Bye.